They are worried over the conditions that migrants and refugees are being held in Greece and who qualifies for asylum under the Turkish system. An EU coordinator for the deal said conditions at Greek reception centers had changed since they moved from being open camps to detention centers. Meanwhile, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan warned the EU that his country will not implement the deal to control the flow of refugees and migrants if Brussels fails to fulfill its side of the bargain. Under the agreement, Turkey agreed to take back migrants who reached Greece illegally from March 20th. For every Syrian returned, Europe agreed to take a Syrian refugee from Turkey to be resettled in an EU country.